And welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about Bitcoin short-term and long-term, but also I'm going to talk about altcoins and Ethereum to see where we're going to be, and I'm going to give you an insight of what could be happening in the next few months. And I'm also going to answer, is this bull market over, or are we going to see another leg up to the upside, or is going to be a short-term rebound, which I think so. I'm going to show you the precise levels that I'm looking at. I'm going to show you what I'm actually going to do. So please hit the like button, subscribe. We post one video about crypto trading every single day. Guys, yesterday we had CPI report. CPI came lower than expectation. Bitcoin went to $84,900. Looks like it wants to continue to go higher. And of course, in our VIP group, we already talked about this yesterday. I was expecting a rebound already. You can see, of course, everything documented over here. Personally, I really expect a rebound to at least 86 to 88,000. So let's see today what's going to be happening. And by the way, guys, if you are also interested in really learning how to trade properly and to really be in a community of professional, like-minded traders and individuals, I cannot recommend you enough to come to the VIP group. Not only because of myself, guys, because I do trading calls, but also because of my other pro members. We have so many intelligent people here, hardworking individuals that want to learn about crypto. We do altcoin analysis, Bitcoin analysis, long-term and short-term trading, everything you can think of. If you're an investor, if you're a trader, you want to get educated, that's the place to be, because I'm going to explain to you exactly my exit strategy here. We're going to discuss, what we're going to get out, get in, and all of that. So if you want to join, guys, there's a link in the description with the trailer as well as our trading results, everything transparent and documented. But also, if you want to start to learn properly how to trade and you want to bring your trading game to the next level, if you are an investor of crypto stocks, if you're a trader, guys, what you can do, you can join one of our courses here. We have so many educational courses. Go on my website, Freedom Trading Academy. As well, what you can do, you can book a strategy call with myself to basically understand where you are, what you want to do. Because the thing about trading, guys, is that trading or investing is a very difficult game, you probably saw right now. So if you don't have the skills, if you don't have the competence to understand how to manage your money, you're going to get slaughtered. And also, guys, don't forget, if you want to trade properly, if you want to really have a very good trading exchange to like very low fees, non-KYC, guys, I wouldn't recommend you enough to get into Blowfin. That's my favorite exchange. I use it all the time. There's an amazing offer coming up right now. So please give me a favor, sign up with Blowfin because you're going to get so many very good rewards. Anyway, I didn't tell you anything, but there is a link in the description. Once you sign up, you're going to see the amazing rewards. Incredible. Anyway, let's go back into Bitcoin right now, 83,900. Where are we going to go next? I'm going to show you now short-term and also long-term. Short-term, tonight we're going to have the PPI report, PPI Producer Price Index. If it's going to come lower than expectation, we should be seeing this rally to continue to go to the upside. But if you're going to go and see, for example, like a high PPI, the Fed is not going to cut interest rates. And with this current fear of the market, we should be seeing another sell-off to come very, very soon. My idea right now, talking about short-term, and I'm gonna show you my long-term scenarios of that. My idea is that we should be seeing BTC to move towards at least $86,000. I can show you already from here. Is that potentially today, the following day, we should be seeing BTC to go up to this area at least around $86,000, even $87,000, and then from here, once we're going to go to this area, we should be seeing a drop down to this area, and then we're going to see if we're going to have a rebound to go into the next area, which is sitting around $90,000 to $91,000. That's going to be my levels of interest. It's going to be $86,000 to $87,000, and also it's going to be around $90,000 to $91,000. Are we going to go there? Well, if PPI comes lower than expectation, then probably we are going to reprice the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates next week, which I think is not going to be happening, but at least institutions and also investors are going to feel more confident that the Fed might cut interest rates, and we should be seeing the market to move a little bit to the upside. And to actually looking at this pattern, I could be seeing a retest of this break of structure that we had. I don't remember when was that. It was on the 9th of March. So we could be seeing like a potential retest of the upside around 91 to 92,000, then make everybody super bullish, and then the Fed might say we're not going to cut rates, and we should be seeing one more dip down to maybe 73,000, and then finally we should be seeing a proper pump to the upside. Now, that's going to be my short-term scenario. So at the moment, I'm expecting that's like a buy the dip scenario. I think really we are already potentially reached a local bottom, if not one more sweep to the downside. I don't see lots of liquidity anymore down to like $73,000 unless something catastrophic happens, like Donald Trump declaring a war to to Russia. But at the moment, that's what I can see from here. So talking about more, I would say macro-wise, what am I doing? What is going to be the next move? So that's what I can see right now. So if we talk about market cycles, and guys, also forgive me today about this very robotic voice. I don't have my microphone today, my professional microphone, so I sound a little bit robotic, but I'll promise you next time I'm going to go and give you like a proper, with a proper microphone. So right now you can see that what is going to be very important for us to see if this is the end of the bull market, the end of the Bitcoin cycle, is going to be when we're going to have what we call the complacency rally. Complacency rally in general comes whenever you have a breakout structure, like in this case here. And then from this point, basically what happens, you see a sharp rally coming to the upside, perhaps to 99 to even 100,000. That in so many cases, this could be just a fake out, because market makers already decided what to do. They already decided they're going to dump the market like crazy. And we need to understand that looking at volumes, looking at liquidation heat map, and other stuff that we discuss in the VIP group basically every day, what is going to be our plan of action. Because the thing is, if you're going to see a rejection from here, and listen to this very carefully, you're going to have a rejection from here, like a brutal rejection, then what I could be seeing this as an ABC correction. So A, B, and then a C correction down to maybe 60,000, 61,000. I mean, that's probably the bad news, but the good news from happening is that at this point, I'm probably expecting basically the inflation to go to minus 2% and to the Fed, to start to stimulating the economy, to do QE and all of that. And then after that, I could be expecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not to go totally crazy, perhaps even in 2025, 2026. And after that, I could be seeing a drop again. Another possibility that we need to take into consideration, as I showed you already, is that from here, okay, we're going to go and reclaim this 99 to 100. And we are going to have one more push to the upside. This is certainly possible. I can see lots of negativity right now into the market. I can see everybody calling for the end of the bull market and blah, blah, blah. But the reality is that if you're going to be able to go and break a little bit higher, around 99,000, 100,000, there could be a change of structure, which means that we're going to go and basically do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and go maybe in between 125 to 130,000. Then I'm expecting a drop to, let's say, 60,000 to even 55,000. That could be after this move. And all of this, to be honest, right, will be making sense, because you're going to go from 130,000 to, let's say, 50, 54, 55. It's going to be like a 60, 70% drop. And then from there, we're going to rebuild again. That probably could be a potential scenario. So again, we need to understand what are you going to do when Bitcoin is going to go to, let's say, to 95, between 96 to $98,000. Are you going to sell a portion because we could be seeing a drop to here, or are you going to wait to see another all-time high to come? You think we're in a bear market? Let me know in the comments below as well. Next one, guys, very important, requested by so many people, Ethereum. Ethereum, I can see lots of people saying that whales are buying the dip. Whales are buying the dip. They are accumulating like there is no tomorrow. And the only thing I can show you right now from here, and I told you so many times, if you've been following my channel, I said that Basically, there is no signs of accumulation here. Negative 275, negative 365,000, negative 200,000. What the hell are you talking about? That whales are accumulating. Whales are accumulating nothing right now. So if you want to see a proper reversal here, you want to see a fat green candle with a positive delta. That's what you want to see. You want to see negative, negative, negative. So right now, to me, it seems like they're selling. There's more sellers than buyers. That's it. Okay, don't tell me about but this, but that. This is the data. This is the no BS analysis, and that's what we do also in the VIP group, guys. So at the moment, Ethereum, that's how it looks like. Okay, so we have a potential. You can see, we broke this very important level of support here. Okay, could be that we could be able to go and find some support around this area. If Bitcoin is going to go up to, say, $98,000 to $99,000, I can see a nice rebound from ETH to go back and retest this previous level of diagonal support, which was around here. So I could be seeing maybe something like that, have a push to the upside, like a sharp, we can call it a complacency rally, maybe up to 3,100, 3,200. And then again, guys, be very careful once you're going to get to the point, because that could be a easy bull trap. It could be a bull trap that what is going to be is going to do like an A, B, and then a C. And the C is going to go down to, let's say, 1,100, 1,200. Okay, so I'm not saying that this is going to happen with certainty, because I want to understand. I'm expecting us to go back to 3,100, 3,200. But then from that point, I'm considering maybe trimming some position. I'm considering to change a few things in my portfolio. That's why I'm saying, guys, join us here. Very important. And after that, we need to see, do we have enough volume to go and pump, to 7,000, 6,000, which I'm expecting to in the next, months, maybe 6 months, 8 months, even 3 months. It's impossible to say that. It's impossible. We don't have the crystal ball. We can't say with certainty. But looking at few data, they're suggesting me we're going to go way higher. But right now, that's what I'm looking right now. Okay, we're going to go to 3,200. What are we going to do? There's a specific level which I'm going to report in the VIP, where I'm basically going to maybe trim my positions, or depending on how the market is going to behave. But right now, Ethereum looks bearish. Okay, there is no nothing else I can say, unless I can see like a weekly candle coming and just really covering everything here. Then that's the reality. I want to see something like that. I want to see a nice yellow candle covering like that, and then a nice change of trend. Right now, we don't have that. But soon I think it's going to be happening. That's what I can see now with the ETH. I really hope I didn't destroy any Ethereum maxi dreams right now. Next one, guys. Others, similar situation to ETH and to Bitcoin. We broke this very important level of diagonal support from here. Again, we could be seeing right now a potential complacency rally to go up to this area around 326, 343. And again, from this point, we need to understand what's happening right now. Do we have enough volume to go and pump to new all-time high? Or is going to be one more drop, and then we're going to go see the proper push to the upside. The reason why I'm very convinced about the fact that we're going to have a big push to the upside is about the Fed quantitative easing, which should be starting, maybe not now, maybe in the next few months, 6 months, but it's going to be coming, and that is going to be brutal. Once you can see that announcement, I reckon that altcoins are going to go up like savages, right? We still haven't seen a proper alt season right now, and that's going to be happening. But right now, at that point, I need to understand everything about macro, on-chain, volume footprint. So many things you got to take into consideration to say, okay, are we going to see now a complacency rally and then down again, or are we going to go and basically go up to this area? But right now, to make everybody happy, I would say midterm, for the next month or so, I'm quite bullish, and I can really see like a nice rebound, reversal to the upside. And the last thing I want to show you guys today, very important as well, that's is making me as well, I would say, confident, is looking at the liquidity heat map for Bitcoin. So many people will say, oh, this is spoofing, all these institutions are putting money here, but it's not true. But again, lots of liquidation levels at the 123, 129, 134, and down to 55 to 50,000. So as I said before, I reckon that these levels are going to be taken, 130,000 is going to be taken sooner rather than later. But again, it's impossible to say, oh, we're going to see 60,000 before 130,000 or 130,000 before 60,000. So that's the thing. So what is actually important to understand is to have a balanced portfolio where you have stable coins you can deploy in case you're going to go down to here, or you're going to have, to be smart enough to say at 125, 130, time to take away my positions. And even if it goes to 200,000, doesn't matter because you can always buy lower. Again, not financial advice, but that's what I can think, is going to be happening. But otherwise, guys, I really wish you an amazing day. Sorry, before I'm done, Bitcoin dominance as well, going up like crazy. That's actually I would say, quite a good sign. You want the money to go into BTC and then to drop down to this area. Once you're going to go to 54, 53, and 47, those are going to be my levels to say, bye-bye altcoins. I'm going to sell all of you, or depending on the market condition, I'm going to decide whether to sell at this point here or this point here. But otherwise, guys, I'm going to drop soon also a video about the stock market. We're going to start also with FTA now to give an indication about the stock market as well, for you to understand better what's going on. And also we have lots of people requesting stock charts, and we're going to do so. But otherwise, I wish you a great day, and I'm going to see you in the next video.